So y'all, back another day of trading. Yesterday y'all seen we took a L on the charts yesterday. Lost some cheese, but I know we went wrong. Studied it, and now we back. So we gonna be better. Let's get into it. Right now, we on NQ. Staying on NQ. No switching back and forth. We just if we don't find nothing on NQ, we don't find nothing. So last night, some nice lows got taken out. I ain't gonna lie, these equal lows got taken out. So we probably looking to see, most likely gonna go bullish, seeing as we're in an uptrend. Skip. So we got yesterday's high right there. Yeah, yesterday's high. And then we got yesterday's low was already get taken out, so going to the previous day before that low. And we're gonna make these I think I'm gonna make these red like I did yesterday. I'm low-key kinda late because market already open, but I'm straight. I ain't tripping. Alright, 4 hour. Let's see what we got on here. I think it should be more like that. Okay, we got same thing as daily lows, or daily highs. Not really seeing no kilos on here for 4 hour. Let's go down to the 1 hour. This is some, I want to call it resistance, but I mean, because it is, price is bouncing off this roof, but I'm not sure. That's not a good resistance because there's no sweep. Normally when you're looking for resistance or support, you're looking for like a leg down, like you see this will be like a good resistance because like at the leg down, but obviously this got breaking through. But I'm trying to find a good example. I don't think NQ got any good examples, low key. But y'all know what I mean though. Anyways, yeah. So when you're looking for good support or resistance, always look for a leg down or a leg up to mark out your support or resistance. But right now for the 1 hour, I'm thinking I'm gonna put one of my key levels I want to watch out for. Well, for one, I want to watch out for this because this just got made. So we're gonna make that orange. Well, okay, I'm gonna watch out for that. So either if this gets tapped, I'm gonna go higher, or if this gets tapped again, I'm gonna continue to go lower, which I doubt, but you know what I'm saying, gonna buy today is bullish. And then could definitely probably say I'm gonna put one right here to top and bottom of this candle right here. Some key levels to watch out for. But this key level about to get taken out. This gets taken out. Most likely gonna shoot for the high from earlier today. From yesterday. I think we're gonna take out the high from yesterday. Most likely. So I'm just looking for either an entry, continuation, like a retracement, or a fair value gap to get created. No FOMO, meaning if there's a long candle going up, I'm not just gonna enter in. I feel like that's where a lot of people go wrong with. I just need a confluence. It's better to get in off a confluence than getting in off of just a long candle. You do that and you develop FOMO and you're gonna get stopped out. So don't do that. But yeah, we're just gonna wait until this line get crossed. Cause this is like, I'm pretty sure this is the, yeah. Oh, now why they close me out? Oh, they got it. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for this to get tapped. I'm gonna shoot for this right here, and then we're gonna be off for the day. Okay out. Hey, bro. Man, yesterday I was watching the video, bro. I should have not lost that trade. Like, well, I should have. Well, it was definitely my fault, but like after I cut out the video, bro, the trade literally top wicked at my stop loss and then went straight for my TP. If y'all watched that video through yesterday, and you seen where I put my stop loss on my TP, it literally like grazed my stop loss and it went straight for my TP. So I could probably say I don't know if it was really my entry though, because I feel like even if I got a better entry, I would still put my stop loss right there, because it was the recent high that was made. And oh, by the way, I caught in the video I said low instead of high. That was my fault, but it was a high that I marked my stop loss at. But like I shouldn't have lost that trade, bro. Like that didn't make any sense to me, bro. How it literally top wicked at my stop loss and then went straight down for my TP, but. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bro. It is what it is. All right, let me grab my phone. Another thing I said I was gonna start doing, like putting into my trades, was adding. Hold on, I just lost my train of thought. Put a junk in there. Adding session highs and lows. So I think what I'm going to do is, I'm pretty sure London session opens at like 3. I'm pretty sure. Opens at like 3 a.m. What am I looking for? What am I doing? Yo, I'm like spazzing out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it opened at 3. So that's yesterday. So it'll be this what I'm looking for. So from this to like I think 12 p.m. yesterday. This is London session yesterday. Highest point was the daily highs. Lowest point was, I want to say right here, but that's not a low. Really, can't really count that as a low. And then for Asia session is 7 p.m. So 7 p.m. to like 4. Wait, what's 19? So to like 4 a.m. So like right here. 4 a.m. Then the highest point with the high. There's a low right here. So this is London session low, but it kind of already got swept. I'm not gonna lie. So that's dead. But London session high. Highest point was here. So I mean, I marked something out there. You know what I'm saying? I marked something out right here. I'm gonna do more research on this though. Not gonna lie, cause I haven't been using it too much. So I gotta see what qualifies and what doesn't qualify. But seeing this is definitely a good add-on to this little lineup I got going on. Ooh, this little lineup I got going on. Excuse me. Where you go? Some slight news today, so I didn't even bother. I checked it yesterday, so that's why I didn't show it earlier. But that news don't be nothing. All right, so it got hit. Let's see if we can wait for a fair value gap to get created or a strong enough pullback for me to enter in to target these highs. Could also target this, but I feel like it's gonna get hit by the time I whatchamacallit. So again, we're not doing no FOMO. Even if it's a long candle, it could do 30 candles going up and I'm still not getting in because that wouldn't be a good trade. I'll be straight gambling. I'd rather miss out on a trade because I follow my rules rather than gamble away and lose my cheese, bro. So again, looking for a good pullback to go up. And looking for a nice fair value yet to get created. So this could be potentially one right here that we'll come back to, or it'll just continuously bullish up all the way to that high. You never know. So 9 more seconds till candle closure. I'm just getting my thing ready to mark it out. I'm already knowing. So it'll be right here to right here. Might get a pullback coming down right there. Or this might come close to it. But we definitely gotta get it. We're due for a pullback, if anything. So I'm praying price come back down and touch this. If not, I'll just get at the lowest point on this closure for a buy. So this is what we wanted. Yo. Did not think it would be that low. Wow. So that just got disrespected. I'm gonna watch this out real quick. I was gonna answer, but I wanna watch this. Trying to see what that could have filled in, but that was a disrespected fair value gap. But I really feel like because of the bullish momentum right now, that we could possibly still break up into the upside. I mean, we're still in the uptrend. Like, even though as bad as this may seem, we're still in the uptrend. Could have gotten down here. But I didn't like how that price was moving, so I didn't touch nothing. Trying to see if price get down here. That would be some nuthead junk. Wow. There goes my entry. That's, I think buys might be dead. Or actually, no, this is fat. Whoa, I didn't even see this. Okay, so this is huge. 5-minute fair value gap right here. I think we can catch the play on this, y'all boys. Let's check the 15-minute. Okay, so this kind of aligns. That would make now that makes sense. Cause we had a big 5-minute fair value gap. I got from right there. Didn't even graze it. All right, so it's coming back. Um, kind of want to wait real quick before I get in for anything. Instead of this fair value gap being for, I'm gonna use a different one for my entry. Probably gonna use this one. There was another one made right here. So once I see this get inverse, then I'll probably get in. So like right around here, when that gets inverse, I'll probably go for a buy for my earlier thing. But we're gonna watch the price action and see what it does, because this 5 minute barely even got spadazzled. You feel me? So like spadazzled, bro. That's not even a word, bro. But it barely even got grazed, is what I'm saying. So it could potentially still come back down there, but I'm not tripping. Like, yo. Oh, it tapped the. Dang, it tapped the fair value gap, but it came down lower. Depending on price action, we might have to maybe sort of scratch out buys. Only because I think maybe the buy move might be over. But let's see. Man, we got this 4 hour fair value gap. Damn, bro, I didn't even see that either. We could honestly shoot for these. I mean, hey, one opportunity lost is another opportunity set up for us. You feel me? Even if we can't go for shorts, go for buys, we can definitely probably see what we can do for shorts. As far as this fair value gap not being touched and this key level to target after this one gets hit. So let's just take this trade out the box, because I'm pretty sure this was already a respected fair value gap. So this could most likely be looking to plummet. But again, I can't say plummet because this is on the 1 minute, so you don't want to just go based off the lower time frames. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this whole trading idea is over, because I don't think price coming back up there, especially with all of that thing we had just already got filled in. So I don't think we're gonna get that same kind of movement, to be real with you. But we honestly gonna see, because I have no idea where we could honestly be going with this. I'm tired. My bad. Alright, so this is exactly what I be talking about. Like, you can see obviously we're in a downtrend, but then this just goes up and wicks out everybody that probably thought we're gonna still go lower and put their stop losses right here. If you put your stop loss here, then go you, I guess. But you gotta really wait and just wait for your ideal setup. Like, don't chase the money, bro. Chase your setups. Like, fight for a setup, bro. Like, if you know there's a sure way strategy for you to win, why not go with that strategy instead of going with something that's half baked that might not let you win? Like, that might not produce the results that are needed. It could on a chance, but that doesn't mean it was a good strategy, bro. You just got lucky. Like, a lot of traders got to start realizing, bro, like, you didn't make a good trade. You got lucky. And some of them feel like you get lucky back to back to back to back, and they think that they're good at trading. No, it's just you got really good luck, bro. But especially if you're not, that's only if you're not following your strategy and you're just going with pressing buy or pressing sell. You feel me? Like, hey, bro, but what do I know? You know what I'm saying? I really only just started trading, I want to say, from May, June, July, 3 months ago. So, wait, May, June, July, August, 4 months ago. My bad. This month makes 4 months. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a noob. But hey, bro. You know what I'm saying? Look, that thing swept up all of this and just dropped right back down. Like, yo. That's what I mean, bro. All right, so I think NQ is actually giving us a good push back to the outside, really. That trading idea may not be invalid no more. You feel me? The whole close above this fair value gap to get for us to go up to the upside. I really feel like this gap didn't even get filled for real. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see how this looking. Hopefully this gives us that push that we needed, because we still ain't even touched this. I don't know if y'all peeped, but well, take that back, it just did. But you know what I'm saying? Like, it didn't touch it from beforehand. So again, we want a closure, not a wick. We want a closure above the fair value gap. I don't know, by the way, I don't know if this makes it like I can't use this as a confluence no more once this happens, but I really feel as if it's still valid for me to use for my trading idea. So we're just gonna wait. And this will also be, this was a resistance I was scared of though, so I'm looking out for this too. But because you see, this is the swoop way down, so we can mark this out as can mark this as resistance. Basically, we're gonna see how this goes based off of this resistance. I think I'm gonna wait for this too. I don't mind missing a lower entry, low key. rather this breaks through right here. Still didn't get a closure above that fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? So this candle is just doing whatever it wants to do. Still no closure. This is crazy, bro. Some wicked work, bro. Like, y'all might think this is boring, or y'all might think like, dang, he barely even taking no trades for real. But that was the discipline. That's the kind of discipline you gotta have, bro. Learning when to take trades and smart trades. Like, I'm telling you, max I probably traded like once or twice in a session like this, and that's like if I see my setup. Like, I've been getting way better at, like, waiting till I actually see my setup instead of just clicking. Whenever I feel like, oh, price is going up, price going down. Like, that's stupid, bro. So we got this fair value gap that just got made as well. Right here. I know y'all can't see that wick, but trust me, I got eyes. I can see that. Y'all can't see it, but I can see it. Feel me? So this fair value gap got touched, went back up, but I'm just gonna watch out for this. Let's go on the higher time frame, see what's going on. So we got a 30-minute fair value gap right here. I think this is the 15-minute one I have marked out. Is that one? Yeah, this is the 15-minute. And then there's a 30-minute that extends all the way up here. So, what was I about to say? Oh, yeah. So this could be sign that we could come back down here to go up again, or it just might forget about it in general. I'm hoping that it's the latter, because I kind of don't want price to go all the way down there right now. Kind of want it to stay. Where's that? Okay, so this fair value gap just got respected. We're gonna see if this bullish one gets disrespected for a closure underneath, and then I might consider going in for sales. But I'm not confident in that, only because of actually I might be confident in that now. Yeah, I might actually scratch that. I might be confident in some sales. Okay, this is some strong resistance. I guarantee we're not breaking through that. That's resistance on the 1 hour, like 15-minute. Like, nah, bro, we're not breaking that anytime soon. Anytime soon, we're not breaking that. Wait for a close underneath this bullish fair value gap and see what happens, bro. Or you might respect it. Who knows, bro? Who knows? Still waiting for them Just 5 minutes didn't even get grazed. So waiting for that John. Or I might just low key not even trade today. Dang, bro, we about to hit an hour again, bro. Dang, it's just how long it's normally gonna be. Like I gotta speed up my clips every time. Hey, bro. What can I say? That's how the charts be. Wow. That was a crazy week. I'm not gonna lie. That was a crazy, 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 crazy week. So if we're supposed to go for shorts, right? We got this. I don't know. We can shoot for this liquidity right here. So let's put that. That's a level to shoot for. We can shoot for it, and it's anywhere like the top half of this fair value gap. Honestly, for shorts. But we're gonna see. But I'm just marking out where I would go depending on how different like price action moves, like what levels I would shoot for. So I think this fair value gap is no longer valid since that one's from way back there. So we're gonna go based off of this one that was made recently. And we've seen that we didn't get any closures up below this, man. But this resistance right here, man. Unless there's like I wouldn't go for buys nowhere down here, bro. Unless if I see something like a closure up here, above here, I'll look at buys. But I'm low key thinking about if I see strong resistance or displacement in this resistance zone, I'm going for subs. Because I can clearly see that this resistance is like yo. We seen literally earlier, we tapped this, came straight down. This got close, but it didn't really reach into it. I think the only good thing, or the only bad thing about having patience is that it's just so boring, bro. Like, so boring. 50 minutes and not one trade taken, bro. Jeez. Price getting close to resistance. Let's see how this reacts. Understanding price action always gonna be what helps you out in the long run. You feel me? Bro, I still haven't seen Superman, bro. Like, that's the one movie I think I want to watch. But I just, like, I don't want to watch it legally. Like, I would want to watch it in theaters, but at this point, bro, low key, I think I'm gonna watch Superman with my girl. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. You feel me? I don't even know if she likes Superman. But we gonna see, though. We gonna see. So, resistance hit. Oh. Hold on, y'all. Because if this thing passes it, then y'all know what I said earlier. Closure above its resistance. I'm in there. This is a good break. Oh. Also seeing some displacement. But let's see how this goes. If this crosses underneath this into a market structure shift, well, not market structure shift, but a breaker structure, then I'm gonna be looking for sales because that just shows to me hope. But if it doesn't, and it does this right here, then you know what the target is now. This is my target. I just need a confirmation confluence now. So either fair value gap or what was it, equilibrium? I think there's another one, but we're gonna see. We are going to see. I just hope it makes one, bro. Yes, come down. Or not. Let's get that fair value gap box ready. Why didn't I put that? So now we're looking to get in for my bias. As of now, it's buys. Sellings are out the question because really, if you look at this whole thing, swoop down, come up, swoop down, come up, swoop down. So at a larger scale, when you zoom out and you look at it, it low key makes sense. My bad, y'all. Video cut out. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't take nothing yet, so y'all ain't really missed nothing for real. But nah, video got too long, bro. It's crazy. I'm hoping that the video's gonna be this long because this is actually outrageous. Wow. So this fair value gap just got filled. Let's see if we get it closer. I don't know. That was insane just now. Man, this thing tapped in there 3 times, bro. Wow. Yep. Can't use this no more. Gotta see if I can choose another fair value gap. It's still a lot of time before we even graze that level, but I don't even think I'm gonna have to go to that level. I just need enough to make enough. Just need to make enough. This is definitely a fair value gap ready to be made. So let's go pre-mark this out. Nah, I just literally talked about it earlier, bro. That wouldn't be a good trade, bro. I would just be getting lucky. I'm not gonna lie. I think I might lock off, y'all. Just cause I don't like how this price action is moving, and although I know this point right here, 24068.50 is gonna get hit. It's just I'm not comfortable with these trades. Like if I'm not comfortable with it, bro, I'm just not gonna go for it. Y'all could say I'm dumb, whatever. I don't care, bro. But that would just be trying to be lucky, bro. All right. If I don't see anything but 1050, I'm off the charts, y'all. Because I need to first get ready to leave. And she's not presenting me the opportunities I need for my strategy. Hopefully, this will be the breakout from whatever the hell this is to make us actually start being, you know what I'm saying? Maybe that is. Thank God, bro. Finally got it out of that loop. That loop. Maybe you can finally start seeing some confluences that can actually let me be confident in getting in the trade, bro. Not rigmarole. All right. Now, I just want a fair value gap created to go higher. Let's get this box ready again. Hopefully it just closes right here so I can get my confluence, bro. And just, it doesn't go lower than right here. Or you can go anywhere just as long as it doesn't overlap with this. So let's get this ready. I almost did give into my temptations, though. I had to talk myself out of it because, I was just ready to press buy and just hope for the best. But I know that wouldn't be a good trade in the long run. I can't even see it no more. All right, let's put this right here. Thing is shot up, bro. Nah, buys are definitely a move. Still got a lot of time before we hit that. Before we hit that mark. Now I just need this to enter in right here. Come on, bro. Calm down, bro. Calm down. Calm down. Just calm down, bro. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. And so just fill up this gap. Yes, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Yes, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Dang, I didn't press it in time. I might have sold. Come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down. Still need that candle, bro. Please, bro. I sold my entry. I got in. Set it for right here. We're saying TP at. Yo. Okay, so I just got stopped out. Like, yo, what was that? I didn't even get to set my TP. Yo, I didn't even get to set my TP. That thing just took out my stop loss, bro. All right, let's see. Let's watch this real quick. This is the fat weight downwards. Wow, bro. I can't believe that just happened. I'm still eager for buys, but that was just insane, bro. I'll go maybe for one more, but regardless, wow, that's still crazy to me how I didn't even get to set my TP. Like, that wasn't even let me dream. I didn't even get a chance to dream about hitting TP, bro. That's insanity, but hey, bro, I guess. Chai. Almost got back in again right there. That y'all literally seen me like have my mouse hovered over there. I think I'm gonna lock off for today. Wow, bro. What a loophole, bro. What's the P&L looking like? Let's see what the thing's looking like. So overall, on the account, we're down 800. So I'm pretty sure I just have to lose 1,199 before I blow this account. But also, I know that we can make this back with a good trade. So I'm not really gonna trip about this. Honestly, I really feel like that was a good trading idea. Maybe I could have waited out to see. What am I doing? Maybe I could have waited to see the fair value gap get filled more before just going in with the entry. I just didn't want to hesitate again, like I had did earlier down here. I mean, to be fair, it did end up. I would have got stopped out, but I didn't want to hesitate again and end up missing a nice entry. I felt like the fair value gap to the upside was definitely a good move or a good thought process, but you know. We've seen obviously Price had other plans. Wow. So there's actually another resistance right here that I didn't even peep. I could have been looking for. That's probably why it hasn't even been able to break up there either. So I mean, it is what it is, bro. I'm not really tripping about it. He's gonna be back tomorrow. Let's actually check, see if we got news tomorrow. Let's check real quick. Wow, we got CPI tomorrow, and we have. Okay, wait, no, that's today. Oh, I'm tripping. This is today. Wait, it was CPI today. I didn't even look at that. Okay, we got red folder news tomorrow at 8:30 and red folder news at 10. So hopefully, make it back with that. It's a good sign, good volatility sign. I'm gonna come back with that. Let's see how GC was moving, just to see if I avoided. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't trade gold today because this is horrible. So I guess we're gonna be staying on NQ for a little bit till gold will straighten itself out. This price action is definitely more cleaner than gold. I could have got a good entry sooner before, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm not tripping. So, hey, till next time, remember, God loves y'all, and